futures trading will give you a new future. What is your trading markets? What is the product that the market offers that you enjoy doing business with? Is it the S&P 500, the ES? Is it the TF, the Russell 2000? Is it the DAX, the different products that the DAX offers? Or do you like to trade, for example, the futures, the euro dollar or the yen dollar? Is your product the Forex? Or do you prefer to just do business with stocks? 10-year notes, for example. Or is it the Nifty? Or is it the Bank Nifty? Or is it the MCX gold or silver? Whatever the product you like to do business with, and whatever the country, everything works the same. In a bull market or bear market, the wonderful thing about this business is that we can make money. It doesn't matter if the economy is bad or if the economy is great. At any time, we can take a position in a market and make money as the market drops or as the market goes up. This market is so willing to give us thousands of dollars every single day. The flip side of that is that the market is just as willing to take away thousands of dollars from our trading accounts if we don't understand what we're doing. I'm going to show you different examples here. 2 days ago, I took a position on MCX Silver. I took a position right here. And I knew that the market was going to go here. And once it got here, possibility was here. Taking the position right here on the edge allows me to have a very, very small stop loss. At New Futures Trading, we call that a boundary because I don't like to talk about stop losses. I don't want to think about losses before I even get into a trade. That don't make any sense. Here's what happened hours later. The market exceeded the 61 and finally closed the position right here. Thousands of dollars were made here. Of course, how much money will you make? It's determined by how much money in your cash account, how many contracts can you buy, and how many contracts can you mentally handle. Here was a trade, a short that I took on a Nifty. Took this short right there, right on the edge. And the results. That was my target. Now, this particular trade, and these trades I'm showing you, we have these trades in video, where the reason why I take the short and where I think it's going to go and so on. Even though you're looking at a still picture right now, this is recorded, the whole action and the reasons why on video. So here's an example using the Nifty. I'll show you some more. Okay, here's another example. This one here, actually, it was my wife and she took a picture of the cash account. And we have lots of videos of me trading, students trading, and we show the trading accounts. This particular trade, which was only a few days ago, she took a long right there. And she held this trade actually throughout the day. And right before she closed the last 2 contracts, she uses 10 contracts. Right before she closed the last 2 contracts, she took a picture of the dome and $14,150. And that was without looking at the screen all day long. Even though the trade ran all day long, she's able to adjust her boundary, but for your understanding, the stop loss, and just follow the trade. This kind of picture right here, see where she took the trade? See this gray line? With the 4181 chart on a rail, it was going to be what we call the mother lode, a big one. How would you like to be able to recognize an entry right in the edge. It takes precision. It takes knowledge to be able to do this. It takes the right education. 90% of the people in the market, they don't make money. They lose money. And they lose money because they don't understand how the market moves. You see, every market, don't matter if you are in Germany, Australia, in China, it doesn't matter if you are trading the markets in Colombo or India or Dubai, it doesn't matter if you are in US or Canada, they all work the same because the markets are people. And unless a person takes the time to really learn how the markets move, that person is going to give a lot of their money to somebody else who knows what they're doing. Yet once you have the proper education, the proper understanding, and you had the patience to learn, and you had the time to invest to learn how the market moves, you too can be very profitable. For example, this one here, this was the DAX. Took a position right there, expecting first target and the ultimate target. And what did the market do? Same thing. Again, thousands of dollars in one trade. Here's the ES. How about this one? Taking a trade right there on the edge again. Look at that, right there. Having this as a target, 117s as a target. Where did it go? It actually exceeded 117s. Exit the trade in the 117s area. Again, thousands of dollars, one trade. How about this one here? Taking a short there, right in the edge, allowing only a few ticks to hold you, and 4+ point trade again, thousands of dollars. This kind of precision requires study. And not just any kind of study. And practicing how to trade can lead into teaching your brain the wrong thing, causing you to lose not only lots of years in the market, but lots of time and end up having to live with lots of frustration. See, perfect practice makes it perfect. Practice does not make it perfect. At New Futures Trading, we understand how the market moves. Any market. Let it be gold, silver, let it be pork or sugar, let it be euro currencies, let it be stocks. Everything works the same way. We use the same tools, the same indicators with anything. What we at New Futures Trading are proposing is this: to offer you a 7-day free trading evaluation. What you would do is you would register with New Futures Trading. One of the professionals, either he or she, will contact you. The two of you will discuss your trading needs. You will be able to provide to that professional how you trade, how you take positions. That professional will be able to turn around and show you the reasons as to why it's not working, and show you the reasons as to how it would work, or give you the ways as to how it would work. Now, we can without a doubt show you why it's not working. And we can show you that technically. You see, this trade here didn't go up from here. It went up from here. We had already a target in mind, 2 targets, and it reached both targets. This is not a lucky thing. This took place because we know how the market moves systematically. This indicator, this one here, these bars, these charts will not make you a professional trader. The tools are tremendous. The tools help a lot. But what will make you a professional trainer is the way you look at the market. It is what we call mind over matter. The ability to sit back here and allow your patients to work for you. The ability to click when it's time to click. And this has nothing to do with how much money. This has all to do with it is time to do business. It's time to get in. It's time to exit. We are prepared to invest 7 days with you. Evaluate the market you like. Evaluate how you see that market. And show you how you can make money in that market. The showing you is one thing. The ability for you to observe and to retain and to understand, that may take you 2 months, 3 months. It may take you 6 months. It's all going to depend on your state of mind. Just because you want to make money in a market, it does not mean that your brain is programmed to make money in a market. Just because you have a trading account, just because you desire, it does not mean that you have programmed your brain to deliver what you desire. So we are proposing, and we are willing to invest 7 days on you. We are prepared to invest time with you to show you and to actually create in you the hope and the vision that you too can be profitable in the market every single day. You will have access to the inside of our website. You will have access to videos. You'll be able to participate in live classes that we do. But it all begins with you registering. First of all, it all begins with you seeing the value of what we are offering you here. Then you registering and making sure that your email is correct, your name is correct, making sure that you have a Skype ID. Now, if you don't know what Skype is, that information will be provided to you. You can obtain this chat room that allows us to talk just like I'm talking here with you through this video, back and forth. And it is free. It's user friendly. Once you make up your mind and then you decide to give us the right information so we can communicate, and then you and I, or you and one of our professional traders will communicate with you. Once you decide for that to take place and you can open up and express what's going on, then one of us is going to assist you to set you in the right path. Now, we don't take on every person that wants to be a student. A person to be a student must be coachable, must be teachable. That person must be able to afford at least about 2 hours a day to study. And that person must be able to afford the tuition. Now, when it comes to our tuition, we give you 110% money back guarantee if you are not satisfied in any way. We have several programs, 3-month, 6-month, 12-month. The 110% money back guarantee applies only to the 12-month program. Make the quality decision that you no longer want to lose money in the market, and it's time for you to learn correctly how the market works. Remember, the market is a game. It is a mind game. And unless you are mentally prepared, you will always struggle with the market. Thank you for listening.